Hey guys, what's up? For all you guys down in Montego Bay, Ocho Rios, Falmouth, remember, shop and relax. You send your packages down with Knutsford Express. We're a partnership with them. So don't worry yourself, if you live in the grill, we can reach you. So for all of you guys who have signed up and not yet shipped, remember, ship your packages, send them down with Knutsford Express through our partnership. Alright, so we're reaching everybody in Jamaica. Alright guys, come along. It's heavy, so let's go.
As you are aware, as a part of our COVID relief effort, Shop and Relax have been supporting our kids in Jamaica by shipping all tablets, smartphones, and laptops for free. Here we have a young one who just received her laptop, and she is going through the wrapper and the packaging like nobody's business. It's almost like Christmas. It's almost like she got a Christmas present. We have the adult getting involved. Oh, we almost slipped. We have the adult getting involved, helping her. We have her younger sibling over there, and she's just tearing through the wrapper to get to a brand new laptop. I am just equally excited for her. It just warms our heart to be able to support our kids in this way. And you could join us in the effort to support them by opening a free shipping account today on shopandrelax.com. Bless you.